But the trick is kind of exactly the same everywhere. I'm sure you've seen it a zillion times. You got 3 cups, 3 balls. You take a ball, you place it in your hand, you vanish it, and it appears underneath the cup. And it just keeps kind of going like that. You take the ball, place it in your hand, vanish it, and it appears underneath the cup. It just keeps going over and over like that. You take the ball, vanish it, and it appears, well, you'd have to do some magic sometime, and then it appears magically underneath the cup. Now, it just keeps going like this over and over again. You take the center ball, place it underneath the center cup, take the 2 side balls, put them away, and all 3 balls appear underneath the center cup. Now, this is not magic. This is juggling. And then there's a giant ball underneath the center cup. There's 1 more under either side. And because we're Americans at the end, there's a potato! It's a potato! It's a real potato!
It's a real potato!
Now, that's the American version of the cups and balls. Now, we got in a lot of trouble with the Magic Castle because of our personal version of the cups and balls, which breaks a few of the rules of magic, pretty much all the rules of magic. The first rule of magic is you never do the same trick twice, so we're going to do the exact same trick again. Second rule of magic is you never tell people how the trick is being done, so I'll be telling you precisely how the trick is being done. The third rule of magic is you never let the audience see your secret preparation. The audience cannot know what starts out in which pocket. And the fourth rule of magic is unwritten, but every magician in the world seems to agree with this, that you never, ever do the cups and balls with clear plastic cups. So here's the version of the cups and balls that got us thrown out of the Magic Castle. You take the first ball, pretend to place it in your hand, and we already snuck it underneath the first cup. Take the second ball, simultaneously scrape it beneath the cup, put it in your hand, and show it. Take the third and final ball, pretend to place it in your hand, pretend to show it underneath the cup, pretend to place it in the cup, then secretly secrete it and reveal it. Now we're all set for the second half. There's 3 cups all loaded, 3 balls on top. Hit the center ball, place it in the center cup. Each of the side balls, really put them away. We don't need them. We have 3 duplicates. Hit the center ball. Now this is not juggling. This is misdirection. By looking over here, Colors takes the final ball under. There's 1 more under either side. And of course, for the finish, the damn potato! It's a potato!